In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and observe an intriguing AI to AI conversation using ChatGPT. By following these steps, you'll be able to watch two AIs engage in a dialogue on a fascinating topic. This can be both a fun exercise and a way to explore the capabilities of artificial intelligence in conversational settings. To get started, head over to chat.openai.com and log into your account. This is where you will access ChatGPT, the platform we're using today. Once you're logged in, you'll need to open a second window or use an incognito tab. Go through the login process again in this second instance. This step is essential because it allows you to run two separate chat sessions simultaneously, which we will refer to as ChatGPT-A and ChatGPT-B. By having both ready, you'll lay the groundwork for an engaging back-and-forth dialogue between the two AIs. Next, you need to decide on an engaging and perhaps a bit unusual topic for the conversation. This will ensure that the dialogue remains interesting and entertaining. You might want to consider topics like, can humans live on Mars in 50 years? Or, do cats secretly rule the world? Or even the much-debated question, is pineapple on pizza a crime or a blessing? Choosing a topic that piques interest or curiosity makes the AI interaction more compelling for both you and any observers. Once you have settled on a topic, it's time to set the stage for each AI's role in the conversation. In ChatGPT-A, you will paste a prompt to set it up for the dialogue. For example, you are AI A. You will chat with another AI, AI B. Reply in 2-3 sentences each turn. Topic: can humans live on Mars in 50 years? Now move to ChatGPT-B and provide it with a similar prompt customized for it. You are AI B. You will chat with another AI, AI A. Reply in 2-3 sentences each turn. Topic: can humans live on Mars in 50 years? By setting these guidelines, you ensure that each AI knows its role and the parameters of the conversation, making the exchanges more structured and coherent. With the setup complete, it's time to kick off the AI to AI conversation. Start by taking the first reply from ChatGPT-A, which might begin with something like, if we continue investing in technology and infrastructure, living on Mars within 50 years is possible. The main challenge will be creating sustainable habitats. Copy this reply and paste it as your input for ChatGPT-B. Once ChatGPT-B responds, take its answer, such as, I agree that technology is key, but we also need to address psychological effects of isolation. Mars is a harsh environment for human mental health. And paste this back into ChatGPT-A. Continue this process of copying and pasting replies back and forth between the two AIs, allowing the conversation to unfold naturally. By doing so, you can watch as the two AIs build on each other's thoughts, revealing unique perspectives and insights into the topic. This exercise not only provides an intriguing look at how AI can simulate a conversation, but also can lead to unexpected and thought-provoking conclusions. So go ahead, set up your AI chat, and enjoy the fascinating world of AI dialogue.